everybody, in this video I have a plugin for Premiere Pro that works with artificial intelligence and will save you a lot of time. It has features that are gonna save you a lot of time in the editing. I've been using this plugin for 2 weeks already and it's really cool, so I'm gonna show it to you. Okay guys, this is the video chat web and this is what is going to open when you click the link that I'm gonna leave you in the description. You can see that you can try it for free, which is amazing. If you try it for free, if you like it, then you're gonna have my coupon Mario50 that you can use to get 50% discount in whatever you want to purchase. Now we're going to register, but because I'm already registered, I'm just going to log in. This is what it's going to open as soon as you register. Okay, you have to download 2 things. You have to download the video chat that it says for Windows here because I use Windows. If you have a Mac, it's gonna come Mac. So you have to download this and download the installer so that this video chat plugin understands my computer. Okay, first let's click here. We're gonna click here and now I downloaded it. Now we're gonna click here in the installer to download it also. Okay, now I have both and I will show you. As you can see, I have both here. This one is the installer. So this is the one that was on the top. This is gonna help the computer and the plugin to understand each other. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna click in the plugin here, double click, and this is what is going to open. Okay, now it says install. It's as simple as that. You just click install and it's gonna install it not just in Premiere but also in After Effects. I don't know if you can see something here is installed already. If this doesn't appear, don't worry, you can go here and you can pull the plugin to this window and it's as simple as that. Then you're gonna have this window to install it. Okay, I already installed it, so let's go. I will show you how it works. Okay guys, now that we install the plugin, we're gonna come here to window, and where you see extensions, here you have video chat. As you can see, let's click on it and we have video chat here open. Now as you can see, we have this video with a lot of silences. Look at this, maybe mistakes and I stopped and then I keep talking. You know how much time it's gonna take you to cut all of these silences. With video chat, we're gonna do it super fast. Let's go to cuts. I normally leave it here in recommended in 0.2 because it works perfectly, but you can experiment. That's the point. Go experiment and then you will see which is the best for you. Okay, add zooms is checked, but I'm gonna take out the check because I just want to show you how they cut the silences. But the zooms are they're gonna cut the silences and they're gonna zoom in and zoom out your image so that basically your video is more dynamic. This is now becoming very a trend in YouTube, in TikTok, in Instagram Reels and everything. So I will suggest you to try it also to see if it's good for you and use it. Okay, now we go here, audio 1, 2, 3 and 4. We're gonna just use one audio here. It's my voice. So actually audio 2, 3 and 4 we don't use it, so we don't need it. Also we have to be careful because sometimes you have here like audio effects in audio 2, music in audio 3, maybe you have more audio effects in the other. So I will suggest you just to unclick these ones so you don't make video chat work that hard. You know, video chat is already helping you a lot. Now in cutting range, in and out, no, we're gonna do sequence because we want all the sequence to be cutted and we're just gonna click in cut silence. And it's done. Look at this. It took a couple of minutes. It's amazing. It saved you a lot of time. Now let's do something else, okay? Let's go to captions. Now it selected the language in English. There's a lot of languages here, so you can check if you want to do it in a different language. We're gonna go here. We're gonna choose 5 words is okay. I don't need punctuation. This I'm gonna leave it how it is. Again, we have to choose sequence because we're not doing a specific parts. I want all the sequence to be with captions. Audio, again the same. We're going to audio 1. And here you're going to choose which one you want. Now I normally don't use captions in the or horizontal videos. I normally use it for like TikTok or shorts or maybe like reels, so in vertical position. So that's why I normally use 90 in the size, but because this is a horizontal, I will add a little bit more of size. Let's put 120 because it's actually bigger, the space. And now here we come back, we can choose the colors. I like it how it is. I think this template, this is very good. I like the colors, so I will leave it exactly how it is, but you have the option to change the colors. I like when they give you options. I like it. Now the position, if you're doing a short or a TikTok, normally when you post the video in vertical, they add by default on the bottom of your video like the name of your channel or your name and things like that. So I normally do it like around here, like a little bit higher. But because this is a horizontal video, I will put it like a subtitle properly. And I think that is okay. If I check everything is okay, we just click generate captions and leave video chat to do its magic.
Now look at this, it added all the subtitles, and as you can see, it already fixed it down exactly how I want it. If I maximize this, you can see that the subtitles are here, are pretty cool. So the point of this plugin is to save time. You save so much time. Now let's go to the next one. Okay guys, now we have here the AI voices. This is amazing because you don't need to talk, you don't need to read anything, record anything. Video chat is gonna do it for you. For example, I have a video here of nature. This is Lake Bled, by the way. If you don't know what is Lake Bled, you have to Google it. It's amazing. I live very close to here in Slovenia, Lake Bled, remember, okay? I will put here in generate AI voice. I will put the text, okay? I have a text of nature. What is nature? I just Google it and put from Wikipedia, and that's it. We come here to voice style. Let's look for the voice. We have this Rachel, Adam. These are very robotic for my taste. TikTok is using a lot of these ones. If we come here down, we have with the UK accent, US accent. We can keep coming and you can actually hear how they sound. And it's very good to do this because some of these ones are gonna speak slow, some are gonna speak okay, some are gonna speak very fast. So you can choose actually which one you want. I will select Alice for now. Now we go down here and we can see that they are suggesting you if you want titles. So I'm gonna click here and then I will put generate speech, okay? It's gonna create the speech now. And it's done. It took less than a minute. Less than a minute. Now we're gonna add it to the sequence, and then as you can see, it's very simple. You didn't need to do anything. Video chat did it for you, and it sounds really good.
Nature is an inherent character or constitution, particularly of the ecosphere or the universe as a whole. In this general...
Guys, don't forget that I'm leaving you the link with the coupon in the description that is gonna give you 50% off of your subscription. I suggest you to click on the link and download it so you can test it with the free trial, and then you can come here and tell me in the comments, what do you think? And now, until next week.